Hello again, everybody. Jeff here with another episode of Jeff Attempts. A little echoey because I am in the bathroom. So, especially at the beginning of coronavirus and a lot of concerns, one of the things that went away from grocery store and store shelves was toilet paper. So I thought about that a little bit. It's not just panic buying. A big part of that actually is because as we're no longer going out to places like work, school, churches, different places like that, we are using our own restrooms. And with that, we're having to use more of our own toilet paper, and spending more time in our own bathrooms means one other thing, that we're actually using our vent fans quite a bit more. This is my vent fan, and it is pretty dirty. It isn't usually this dirty, but because of how much we're at home more often now, the fans are being used more often. People come to the bathroom, they turn their fan on, and it's just getting a lot more dusty in there. Or some people just forget to vacuum theirs at all. I'm gonna admit, it's been a while since I vacuumed mine. So with having these vents really dirty, it starts clogging these areas. And when you start clogging these areas, it restricts the airflow. And not only is it causing less air to move out of the room, more humidity is getting trapped in the room, but it's actually making these fans work harder. As these vents are restricted with dust and debris, less airflow is moving over the fan motors. Those motors are starting to heat up and can actually cause damage to those fan motors. So vacuum those things up. I've got my vacuum cleaner right here. See about doing this. Still winding down there, so that's as easy as it is. Just use a brush attachment from your vacuum cleaner and just go right on the vent grill right there, and just takes a minute or two and you're good to go. So stay safe, keep your bath fans working well, and stay safe with COVID. Bye.